So this will be the unboxing of my new Apple Watch Hermès. I have my baby with me, so please bear with us. So here is the box, orange. Let's start. Okay, so here is the watch, I assume, with a sport band. And here is the watch band I chose. So I will start with the watch, and it has the opening thing here on both sides. Like so. Oh, sticky. And then I assume we open it like this. And yeah, the weird sounds, that's my baby. Okay, so here's the actual watch. And here is the, I don't know, care package, whatever you call it. Oh yeah, with a sports band. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty small, but hopefully it fits. My wrists are not that big. And a charger. And it has, it's like this textile on here, so that feels pretty nice compared to the ones I already have. So let's see if I can poke this clock out without ripping the thing. Didn't manage that with my current watch. This is ridiculous. Okay, so there we go. So here it is. I hope you can see it. Sorry about the lighting. And it looks like it's been, is it cold or is it dusty? I don't even know. It was just cold. Okay, so here we have the, it says Apple Watch Series 9 Hermès with the details. So let's open the band here. Oh, sticky, sticky. Yeah, that's my cat, so sorry about the baby, sorry about the cat. Yes, kitty. Like that, so sticky, okay. You can definitely tell once the box has been opened, okay. So here, some kind of fabric material, I guess. Yeah, definitely not the same. So I guess in here we have the actual band. Ooh, I like it. And both parts. Okay, I need to tend to my baby. Okay, we'll try again. As soon as I start filming again, she starts making baby noise. So here it is on the back side. We have the Hermès Paris made in France. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, and you can see it's sewn like a little H there. I think this looks quite nice. Okay, so let's see if I can put it together here. Let's look at my current watch to see how I like the setup to be. Okay, that's a little stiff, but whatever. Like that. And let's take off the old Series 6 watch. Oh, this was a different feeling, for sure. Haven't had like a real watch in forever. It's pretty stiff, as I don't know if you can see. Okay, so it appears that my phone is not updated, so I can't start using it now, but I guess we can look at the sport band here while we, well, obviously not while we wait since I'm filming this on my phone, but I can open this. It has the Apple Watch Hermès band, so let's see, let's switch out the bands here. pretty easy. Okay, so how do I like it? Probably like that. And this was a lot easier to switch on. It's a lot softer. I think it looks pretty nice. Apparently my current phone is too old to use with a watch, so hopefully I can use it when I get my new phone. Thank you all for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and have a great day.